Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, and this is another vlog from Morocco, and we are in Marrakesh. And today is the second day in Marrakesh, and we're going to explore the old city which is called Old Medina. So Medina is a city. So in Arabic, Medina is city. So we're going to be visiting Old Town today. We're going to see like how this old town and how people live in this old town. From there we're going to explore all the bits, and I'm going to show you all about Morocco today. So I am staying in this Amani hotel, which is like south of the city, not far from the airport. It's only about 10 minutes away from the airport. But it's a nice, quiet hotel, not very expensive. And I would recommend if you come here, it's not too bad and it's a good hotel. So I've asked my hotel people, they said Medina is about 30 minutes walk, but it's only like 5 minutes away on the cab. So we're gonna take a cab. So the cab's a bit scam here, so whenever you hear, like, make sure like you bargain first, because they tell you one price and the other guy will tell you another price. So basically, I don't know, yesterday all day I've been taking cabs for 200 dirhams, and today suddenly the guy is saying like 50, shouldn't be more than 50, so he's a nice guy, I guess. So whenever you make sure you bargain, and or otherwise just ask 2-3 taxi drivers, because they will try. I am at Big Square now, but we will come back for night market because it's going to start in the evening time. At the moment we're going to take our horse carriage and we're going to go and see the old gate called Baba something, and from there we're going to go and see all the monuments, and then the old barbarian market and the old town, and then we come back here in the evening. So let's find a horse carriage and do a deal with them. Yeah, let's go.
We go from this garden, we got...
Yeah, we've got this guide, so he's gonna take us everywhere, because thing is, like, the problem with the taxi drivers, you tell them one thing and they do another thing. Huh? So you know, normally when you see taxis parked here, so you'll see a big parking for these horse carriages, a lot of them, not even 1, 2, 3, 4, they're like about in hundreds. So I'm sitting on a horse carriage now, so just having a... I mean, the city is amazing, and I think this is the best way to see the city.
قوامل ما كله ندر له قوامل احنا والو وشي.
So I think the horse carriages are one of the main attractions for tourists in the city, and when you own them, I mean, you can enjoy actually and have a better view of the city. Yeah, so I'm on this horse carriage and I'm looking at the city from a different perspective. So you sit in above and just look at everything around you, and it just looks amazing rather than just walking, to be honest. But it's your choice. But I like it this way because I don't have to walk, and I can just go around in this and just have a look at the beautiful city. So you see a lot of fruit trees, so you can see all the oranges tree just on the footpath actually, and they're full of oranges and no one bothered to touch them. And a lot of palm trees. So the weather is a bit cold at the moment. It's not cold, I mean I'm wearing a t-shirt, it's about 18 degrees, but nighttime it gets really cold because I think it's nighttime it gets to about 3 degrees. At the moment it's about 18, which is very pleasant. But night is a bit cold. So in terms of how busy is the city, I think it's not the tourist season and it's still very busy, but I'm enjoying it. And look at these olive trees here. Morocco has a lot of olives, so wherever you're eating, you'll see a lot of olives. Everything is made with olive oil, and all the salads and everything contains a lot of olives. So one of domestic is going on here.
سير
So let's speak to my guide. What's your name?
حسن.
Hassan. How long you been doing this job?
What?
How long you been doing this job?
حسن.
Yeah.
10 years.
10 years. Okay. So you must see a lot of tourists every day. Is that busy? Old driver, yeah. Is that busy nowadays? Alright, it's Hassan doing it for the last 10 years.
Yeah, what's your name?
My name is zee.shan, yeah.
zee.shan?
Yes, zee.shan. In a new town, you'll see like all sort of branded hotel, branded shops. Look at that. Here we just passing Louis Vuitton and La Meridian Grand and Nobu. Everything is just here, to be honest. It's just another big city. But again, it has a cultural side to it as well. Just not a big city with all the brands and everything, but on the other side you'll see all the traditional stuff and a very cultural stuff. So now we are about to reach, all right, that's the city wall of Marrakesh. Marrakesh city wall.
Come here. See. See. Chef, see.
Old movie. Old movie, yes, I like old. Because it's very classic.
So where we are now?
Wait.
Where are we? Doesn't matter, for me, same thing. But we're not going inside. Cemetery. Grave. Right in front of me, you can see this Koutoubia Tower. So this is like a mosque and one of the biggest mosques in Marrakesh. Yeah, I'm surprised to see how many tourists are here. So when I landed at the airport, it took us about 2 hours to go through because there were so many people and so many flights landed. And of course, from London only in England, there was lots of flights like Wizz Air, Ryanair,